This is the checking video of genuine Abdullah Kneader AE221 of big 5 kg capacity. It is being checked for a Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 30th April 2024. It has a metal blade inside, a measuring flask. This is the flask that comes with it. The machine is okay from all the sides. We will show you from the bottom also. There you can see there are no damages, and now we will start the machine. पेपर निकालो, निकाल लो, ऐसे निकाल लो, साइड से बंद नहीं करो, निकाल लो, हाँ निकाल लो, ऊपर से उठाओ। अंदर रखी तो नहीं चला रही। It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. There you can see that timer came to the off position and the machine automatically stopped. And now we will pack it for Daraz. This is the genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom for safe packaging, a thermopore at the top. We then apply brown sheet on it and fragile stickers, and finally pack it in bubble wrap. सही डालो। This is the bubble wrap. This is genuine Abdullah Kneader. We are Orion Engineering Company, Karachi.